Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So here we are going to talk about this beautifully designed Django based e-commerce application wherein a user can search for the required items he want to purchase, and also he can place the order for the same. Right, so in this lecture we are going to talk about how this application works and how the user can use this application for checking out the different items on the store, right, and purchasing them. So let's not waste the time and straight away dive into the tutorial. So we have two buttons on the top over here. One is this, which is for checking out the login page, and the other one is for the registration. Okay, so here the user has to register his profile first if he's using it for the first time, and if he is an existing user he can simply come here and log in into the application. So I'm going to simply register a profile first over here. Let's see how can we do that. So let me quickly create a profile with this name, Daksh. Okay, so D is capital of Dutch there. That's what I'll have to remember. Then I'm going to put this email ID over here, and here I'm going to put a very simple password that I can remember. Let's do a submit. So what will happen, this application is going to now send an email on this email ID that I've mentioned over here. As you can see, in the message also it's written very clearly that your account has been created successfully. Now to verify your account you need to check your emails. Let's come on the email, and yes, we have received an email over here which says click on the link to verify your account. Okay, I clicked it, but this is not how the verification will happen. It's just for showing you that this application sends an email to the email ID of the user. But now for verifying, for getting this profile registered authentically on this application, we have to log in into it as an admin. So how we'll do that? We can simply change this URL over here for accessing the admin section, and here we can log in as a super user. So I already have a profile with this ID if I'm not wrong. Let me quickly enter it and see if it is still working, or else I'm going to create another super user for you guys. Okay, I think I'll have to create a super user first. So here I'm going to simply use this command called create super user, and it will allow me to create a super user for my application, with the help of which I can log in into the admin portal and do various kind of stuff. So here let me just log in. Let me just use my mother's name. Will it work? Yeah, it worked. And email ID is going to be this. Okay, fine. So I registered a super user's profile, and now I'm going to log in using the same. And here I go. Okay, so I have the now I have the ability of changing everything now because I have the access to the main dashboard, the admin dashboard. So here I have to come on users, and I will simply allow Daksh to access the application as a super user. So I'm going to come over here in this permission section, staff status, and I'm giving him all the types of accesses required for accessing the application, right? And I'm going to just save the changes I've made. Let me do a sign out, and now I am going to log in with the Daksh login credentials. So for him, these were the login credentials, and let's see. Okay, so this is now Daksh's panel, and he can also view and see everything present on the portal. Now if suppose he want to purchase anything, he can come on the home section, and he can search for the items over here. Okay, I think we don't have the search button in place if I'm not wrong over here. No problem, we can create it easily. So if suppose I want to purchase a Redmi Note 11 Plus, so I just have to click this image, and this is what the application will redirect me to. So here I can see the details and everything, and how much it is going to cost me. I can simply add to hit this add to cart button for adding this to my cart. As you can see, the cart number has increased from 0 to 1 now, and if I want to you know add some more items to my cart. So I can just click here on these options present on the top. Let me search for a Vivo laptop. So we don't have anything in this category. For Samsung also we don't have anything. Okay, Apple. Okay, we do have MacBooks of Apple. Let me add this one to the cart. So now we have two items in the cart. We can increase the number of items, we can decrease the number of items, and automatically the price will change over here. Right, let's come back on the home page. So now we have two different items present in the cart, and do we have to purchase any other from here? Okay, let's purchase a smartwatch also, and I'm adding this also to the cart. We have three different items, and I would like to purchase two, or let's have three Apple watches, and let's place the order. Okay, so you should add first shipping address and continue shopping. That's what it says. Let me add the shipping address. That is absolutely right. So it's working absolutely like an Amazon website, right? So here I'm going to add Daksh's address, Ghaziabad, and city also Ghaziabad. It's just random thing which I'm filling. At present, these are the states which are available, right? You can modify the names of the states as per your requirement. For now, I'm choosing this one, zip code. Okay, let me make it 201002. Let me submit the profile. Okay, so we have this address over here now. Can we now place the order? Let me check it out. Okay, so we do have this place order. Yeah, now we it shows us three different options with the help of PayPal. If I want to make the payment, that's what I can do. I can also do cash on delivery. I can also do debit or credit card. Let me just see whether PayPal will work or not. So I have to choose this address first. Again, then I need to click this PayPal. Let's see whether it's going to work for me or not. Okay, so here I have to enter my PayPal details, and I'll be able to uh, purchase it like this. If I want to go with the debit card, let's see what's going to happen. So I can just click over here and see whether it shows me anything or not. So yes, it shows me a form which I have to fill. So here I can enter the card number, expiry date, security code, and all the other details related to my card, and then I can click this buy now, and we have this attached to PayPal. So automatically the payment will get deducted from my debit card. Yes, so this is also functional in this application. And if I do a cash on delivery, let's see what's going to happen. So yes, it has the cash on delivery orders also. Okay, so yes, I think my order has got placed, but it is still in pending mode. Okay, so we have all the tracking facility also available in the admin panel. So, these are the various things which a person can do on the application. If you want to change his profile details, that functionality is also available over here. And if you want to change his address, you can change that too. Okay, then we have this orders panel over here where he can check all the orders which he has placed on the application. We have the change password panel also, through which he can change his password and everything. Currently, we do not have anything in the cart of Daksh. That's the reason it says you have no product in your cart, right? It is showing us the time and date and everything on the top. Yeah, so that is also a great functionality. So this is the overall view of the application, the overall functionality of the application. That's how an e-commerce website works, right? So it's a full-fledged e-commerce website which is built purely on Django. And in the front end, as I've said in the beginning, we have used pure HTML, Bootstrap, CSS, JavaScript. So there is no intelligent front end for this that has been implemented. But yes, if you want to make it on React, yeah, that is also possible. If you want to make it on Angular and integrate it with your Django backend through some proxy, so that is also completely doable. Okay, you just have to convert the code from HTML, CSS to React or Angular, or you can just put the things in the React structure, and automatically it will come up on port 3000. From there, you can set a proxy and make it communicate with the backend that is already in place, and we are using Django as I've told you. Okay, so that's the whole e-commerce application. I hope you guys really liked it. Please do not forget to share your feedback in the comment section below. Let me know about your thoughts. And if you want to develop things like this, you can contact me on the number which is getting reflected on your screen. I will be happy to help you guys. So I help people in developing applications, right? I'm a senior software developer working in a great MNC. So if you want my help in learning these kind of things, and you also want to become a software developer, or you want to become a solution architect, or you want to learn these things for developing your own business, so yes, I think I am the right person, and I can give you that guidance which can help you in creating applications like this and becoming a successful software developer. So do contact me, right? Thank you very much for checking out my video. Please keep sharing these videos in your group so that I can reach to the maximum students possible, and you can they can also join my channel and learn these kind of things. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care and have a great day ahead, guys.